Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Hamster Kombat black screen issue. So as you can see at the bottom, once you want to load up the app, it just doesn't give you anything, it just gives you black screen. So here's what you need to do. So whether you're on your iOS or Android, the first thing you want to do is go to App Store or Google Play Store, and you want to update Telegram. So you want to make sure that Telegram is updated to the latest version. If that still doesn't work, then I recommend you that before you reinstall Telegram, back up all the data, delete Telegram and reinstall it once again. And if that also doesn't work, just reach out to Telegram support or to Hamster Kombat support to see what you can do differently. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.